Hello everyone, today let's crochet this little slushie. For the yellow one, I used a 1.0mm hook. For the green one, I used a 1.25mm hook. So there will be a slight difference in size. Now, let's begin our crochet journey. The yarn I have chosen for this is size 6 lace yarn held together with size 9 lace yarn, working with double strands. The hook is a 1.25mm hook. The first step is to crochet the fruit part. Start by making a magic ring. Hold the yarn in your right hand and wrap it around your left index finger once. Then wrap it once around your pinky, passing between your index and middle fingers. Pinch the intersection of the loop with your thumb and middle finger. Insert your hook in front of the yarn. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over once more and pull through. Tug it tight, and that is your magic ring. Once the foundation ring is ready, go ahead and insert the hook back into the loop. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over one more time and pull through both loops. That makes one single crochet. Now, just keep repeating this to make 5 more single crochets. Making a total of 6 single crochets. Next, let's gently pull the yarn tail to close and tighten up the loop. We are using the spiral crochet method here, so there is no need for turning chains or slip stitches. Please remember to always place a stitch marker in the very first stitch of every single round. Now, let's move on to round 2. We will make an increase in the first stitch, working to single crochets into it. Then place your stitch marker right here. From there, simply continue forward, making an increase in every single stitch, adding a total of 6 increases. Once completed, you will have 12 single crochets. After finishing these 12 stitches, we will then move forward to work 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Put your stitch marker back in place. Then make an increase in the second stitch, working to single crochets into it. Continue this pattern, increasing in every alternate stitch, adding a total of 6 increases. Once completed, you will have 18 single crochets. After finishing these digital 18 stitches, go ahead and work 2 single crochets next. Then make sure to place a stitch marker right here on the first single crochet. Next, for the third stitch, we make an increase, working to single crochets into it. From there, simply continue forward, making an increase in every third stitch, adding a total of 6 increases. Once completed, you will have 24 single crochets. After finishing these 24 stitches, we will just continue onward, following the pattern's regular sequence all the way, to crochet the remaining part below. Working all the way up to round 14, which will give you 50 for single crochets. Now that we have reached round 14, next we need to begin our decreases. First, let us work 7 single crochets. Remember to place a stitch marker first. Once the 7 single crochets are done, we will then make a decrease, crocheting 2 stitches together into one. This counts as a single crochet decrease. Continue to work 7 single crochets. And after that, decrease by 1 stitch every 8 stitches. We need to decrease 6 stitches in total. Once completed, we will have 48 single crochets. After finishing these 48 stitches, the stitch count for round 16 remains unchanged, which means we just work 48 stitches without any increases or decreases. Once round 16 is completed, we will then continue to follow the decrease pattern as shown in the chart. Just keep crocheting until you reach round 27. Now we have finished round 27. Let's leave a length of yarn tail. And then gently stuff it with fibre fill. After stuffing, we will cinch this open and closed. Next, we will crochet the leaves, using 2 strands of size 9 lace yarn held together, also with a 1.25mm hook. And now let's begin to crochet. Using a slip knot to start, place the hook under the yarn, wrap it around once, yarn over, and pull it through, then pull it tight, and this is our slip knot foundation. And now, let's crochet 14 chain stitches. Once the 14 chain stitches are done, we take a piece of 0.4mm copper wire, place it right between the yarn and the hook, and then work 1 chain stitch. Then continue back into the second chain from the hook, working a single crochet into the back loop. Next, we crochet double crochets, working 9 double crochets in total. Then work 2 half double crochets. After that, continue to work the remaining 2 single crochets. Now then, don't sit too close. Continue right in that same single crochet position. To work 1 more single crochet, and then continue to work another single crochet, wrapping it right over the copper wire. Now, just go to your mind, that's yes. You crochet, you got a double crochet. These are 2 half double crochets. And these are those 9 double crochets. Say hello to you again. Then bring the yarn over and slip stitch into the single crochet on the left side. Yesterday, the leaf was completed.